stand.
Here's Luke doing therapy today. Today he's been home for 12 weeks. And his therapist, Jill. Do you like that, Luke? Whoa!
Oh, nope. Should we bounce? Gotta come in here.
He's like, what is this? This is new.
Do you want to go on your belly?
Luke's never done this before.
Want to try your belly?
What do you think of that? She calls that the peanut. Is that your exercise ball? You're doing a good job. You're doing a good
Holding
job.
your head up like an airplane, Superman.
He does a skydiver really well too. Are you rolling? Is that fun?
Pressure on your tummy.
Do one of your tricks, like waste your milk. Can you waste your milk? You're good at that. Okay, that's all we can do, or else you won't be able to put it on YouTube. You're so cute, Luke.